everybody. My name is Angie Descalzi and I am the Education Manager here at Carousel Theatre for Young People, which resides in the unceded and ancestral territories of the Musqueam, Squamish, and Tsleil-Waututh First Nations. Today we're going to make a snow globe together. For this activity, you are going to need a grown-up to help you with all the steps, a snow globe like this one. I bought this at the dollar store, but you can use any container from home. A mason jar will do perfectly. A little figurine, like a little Lego person or a small toy. A hot glue gun and hot glue sticks. We will also need some glycerin, some sequins, some glitter, and a glass of water. Okay, let's begin. Snow globe instructions. Ask your adult if they can help you find the perfect plastic figurine or Lego piece to use in the snow globe. No sense in buying a new one if there's already something at home. Put glue on the inside of the jar's lid. Place and stick your figurine on it. Fill the jar with cold water. Add 1, 2, or as many teaspoons as you like of glitter and stir. Add a few drops of glycerin. Screw the lid on the jar. You can glue it if you're concerned that the water is going to come out. And that's it. You can shake the jar or tip it upside down to make it snow. And that's how you make a snow globe. This is what mine looks like. What do you think? You can post a photo of the snow globe that you made and you can put it on social media and tag Carousel Theatre for Young People so that we can see what you've done. I cannot wait to see your snow globe. Thank you for joining us today for your holiday activity. If you enjoyed this and other works from Carousel Theatre for Young People, we encourage you to donate to our Give the Gift of Theatre campaign. The details are on the bottom of this video. Thank you so much from all of us at Carousel Theatre for Young People. We wish you happy holidays and a wonderful new year. Ciao! You can support our work at Carousel Theatre for Young People this season by purchasing a gift certificate for a loved one or by donating to our holiday gift campaign, Give the Gift of Theatre. For more information, visit carouseltheatre.ca.